Hello, we are back and ready to learn some shading techniques. Some of these techniques are used by artists like Vincent van Gogh. We have a stippling and hatching technique here in his picture. He also has a blended piece where the artist uses blending. And another example, this one's by Giorgio Morandi with some fine hatching. Here we have another piece with hatching. Here's a piece by artist Inka Essinghai, and the light, medium, and dark values really give the illusion of form. So today we're going to use these artists as inspiration and learn how to create some value and form using these different shading techniques. So to start with, we're going to learn about stippling. So stippling is building up layers of value using little tiny dots. First step, add our light source. And I'm just going to add a light layer of dots. This one takes patience and time, but I'm going to start with my lightest value. Then I'm going to slowly start building up layers of value with darker circles, darker dots in this stippling technique. Next, we're going to talk about crosshatching. Crosshatching is another way to depict value, and we're going to start with our light source and add light layers of value using lines that mimic the form that you're adding value to. So in this case, we're adding value to a sphere. I'm going to draw curved lines and repeat them in a pattern. And then I'm going to build layers by cross-hatching. So I'm creating hatch marks, and then I'm crossing over those to build a darker layer of value. I'm just taking my time, doing my best, and really paying attention to the pressure that I use on my pencil. Gonna be adding some shadows here soon. And use those same techniques for the shadow so that it's unified and it makes sense. Last technique, smudging or blending. Again, you're going to start with your light source and just build up those layers of value like we've been talking about. Paying attention to your pencil pressure. And then you're going to start blending. This pencil eraser works well for blending. You could get a folded up paper towel and use that. Some people like to use their finger. It's just up to you. It's not as precise in my opinion, but you can experiment and try a variety of tools and then add your last shadow. So we've talked about stippling, hatching, cross hatching, and blending to create that value and the illusion of form, depth, three-dimensional space. Don't forget the background. When you shade and add things to the background, it adds to that illusion of space and it makes your picture more interesting to look at.